Hey, so welcome to TWC Projects. Today we're back up at Bear Ridge and we're doing a few things up here. Probably not as much log cleanup today because I got to get to some other things, but we've started out actually already by just kind of trimming up the entrance here so it looks a little nicer, and then we're going to get to staining. So I've got some stain to get on the gates. Hopefully I have enough there. I don't know how much is left in that gallon bucket, but anyway, we're gonna at least get it started and hopefully get as much of it done as I have stain for, and then we got some other things we'll get to too down in, further down the woods a little bit, I think. So stick with me and welcome to TWC Project. Glad to have you with me today. If you're new to this channel, this is where I like to create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation outside whenever I can, and I like to bring you along with me. So I hope you hang out and enjoy what's going on today, and I hope you're getting a chance to do some of the same things too. Get outside and create things, fix things, and just enjoy the beautiful outdoors. So let's get going. All right, so that's a wrap with the paint. The stain, it turned out really well. And unfortunately I ran out. I had enough to cover the front side, but I didn't have enough to cover all the back side. But I did want to show you what I used here. This is Bear Premium semi-transparent. And I like this a lot because you can still see a little bit of the grain through it, but it holds up real well because it's, you know, solids and the semi-transparents do a lot better over time, holding up to the sun and the rain and so forth. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that, and it's turned out real nice, so we'll get on to the next thing. All right, so we got that all strapped in. I needed to take these back down to my house, my main property, and hopefully I've got these balanced. It's kind of hard to tell. I think this guy's somewhere around 450 pounds, maybe. This is probably 280 or something like that. So anyway, I got them crisscross strapped in here. Hopefully that's not going too far. Oh, this is a little loose. I might tighten that a little bit more. But it's so heavy, it's not going to go too far anyway. But if I had to stop quickly, I just want to make sure they don't fly around. So we got those in there, and I guess we'll figure out what we're going to do next. The sun kind of went behind the clouds a little bit. It's been a beautiful day up until about 10 minutes ago. So, but we're not going to let that stop us. I'll keep going here. I've got to pick what I'm going to do next and make good use of the time. It's let's see what it is now. It's 3 o'clock, and I'll probably try to stay till about 4:30. So I'll figure out what I'm going to do next. This is just kind of an odds and ends day. I don't know what I'm going to title this video, but it's you know, getting it done, right? So thanks for coming along with me. All right, so I just got done cleaning up a little bit down here. so I could actually get the tractor down into this area, because it's just this, I tried to clean this out before and just was too muddy. And anyway, the excavator did a great job of helping me move a bunch of the garbage that was over here, so I could have a nice way to come through here with the tractor to get to the brush piles that are down here. So as we start cleaning up, we'll want to be able to have a little better access down to this area, and then hopefully this, I don't know, this fall, this winter, I'll continue clearing. As you remember, I started opening this up to go down to the brook so that you could see it, and of course it grows back pretty quickly. Eventually I'll have a better way to kind of keep the rubble down, but for now this is working fine, and continue to make a little bit of progress. Hopefully I can get back up here again soon and get back to more of these trees. I've got to get the tractor up here soon too, so that I can start hauling these off and pile them somewhere. And then I've got a lot of stuff here to clean up too. I don't know, it's so windy up here, I'm not sure that I'm gonna, I originally was thinking I might be able to burn a lot of stuff, but it's just too windy most of the time up here. So, and there's so much stuff, so I'm gonna probably have to find a nice ditch, which I think I found one. I might have to cut a trail to it though, so I can get to it back in the woods here. There's a big gully, and that'll be a perfect place to fill in with a lot of the tops of all these trees that are left over, and nature will take care of it very quickly and do a good job of biodegrading that, breaking it down. So anyway, I think that's where we're going to stop today. I feel like I might need to hike back into the woods, check on a few other things, but I think we've made some good progress today. The gate turned out pretty nice. Unfortunately, I've still got to finish the back side of it. I ran out of stain, but got that done. Got the implements that I needed to take them back down and put them in the shed back down at my main house. And so since I don't need them up here for quite a while, and I actually do need the bucket down there, so I figured I'd get that rolling and take care of that today too. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me as always. Thank you for helping me create things, fix things, enjoy God's amazing creation outside. And thanks so much for subscribing, hitting the bell to get notified when new ones come out. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. And I'll keep at it, so I'll keep making more of these, and hopefully you're finding them interesting, entertaining, maybe a little educational once in a while. And anyway, I appreciate your watching. So until next time, have a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.